Okay, so first, you're going to open up BCPS1 like you have. Log in to BCPS1. Next, you will click here with the big S, Schoology Learning Management System. Next, you will click here. This is a little different from yours. However, you're going to look for the words My Courses here and click. Now go down to the bottom. You're going to look for Reading and Writing Language -KG. Next, you're going to look for section 006. This is Miss Drysdale. Here's the picture of Miss Drysdale. And here's her Reading and Writing Language Arts page. Here is her schedule, but I already sent that to you. This purple folder called ESOL Miss Taylor is where Allison will get her lessons for ESOL. She'll see my page, Miss Taylor. Go down. These are all the lessons. So if she clicks, you're going to click here. Each lesson you can click through. Allison can also click here where it says audio recording with this picture. It will pop up down here or up here. I'm going to click it.
The directions say, talk to your family about the different foods or things you have at home. Where do you think they come from? A plant or an animal? Let's write about one thing you talked about in the box below.
So when you click here, it will read all of the words so Allison can listen. She can type here using the clues and then click next. And here's the audio recording for this page. Here's where she can click the audio and the paper. And then she can do this part.